Hello, this is Brandy, and this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my April 2020 SugarMuses box. Ooh, I see a feather. Beltane. Artemus. I love these envelopes. So this is the same oracle as the other one, and this one says 30 and my other one said 6. So they're both divisible by 6. Ooh, pretty pretty. I love it. It's big too. Ooh. So this is all the danglers on the bottom. It's got a pentacle. It's got a couple little feathers, a couple beads. Cool. I'm gonna put it up here for right now. We got a Beltane Ritual Salt, and this is like a different, bigger container than usual. Smells like mild but green and mildly floral. A card. A tea bag. Looks like we got some green fairy incense. Yum, yum, yum. Mist of the Forest cleansing spray. That sounds like it smells nice. Let's smell it. Ooh, it does. It smells green, but in a different way. Cleansing incense blend, so that's pretty cool. Beltane Herbal Tea. It's raspberry leaf, nettle, lemon peel, vitex, lemon verbena, linden flower, cinnamon, rose petals, and stevia. Artemus Perfume. Fruity. And let me see here. Looks like we got a candle in a very different container than usual. Wormwood and Mugwort candle. It's got a pretty arrow on there. It smells really nice and clean. Okay, let's see what we got here. Pretty. Ooh. Not sure what I'm looking at, but we'll find out. And last but not least, ooh, beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Let's read what we got here. As we face changing times, it is imperative that we use and harness our magic effectively and for the most important issues in our lives right now. This month we focus on clearing, purifying ourselves and space, channeling the energy of Artemis for her strength, bravery, and warrior spirit, and utilizing our magic to keep us and our loved ones healthy, protected, and secure. Beltane, meaning bright fire, is celebrated April 30th to May 1st, from sunset to sunset. Beltane honors life. Earth energies are at their strongest and most active. The word Beltane originates from the Greek god Bel, meaning the bright one, and the Gaelic word Tien, meaning fire. Together they make bright fire, and traditionally bonfires were lit to honor the sun. Maypoles are a popular and familiar image of May Day in Beltane. Its many colored ribbons and the ensuing weaving dances symbolize the spiral of life and the union of the goddess and the god, the union between earth and sky. The 6th day of May is the birthday of Artemis, the ancient Greek goddess associated with wild nature, witchcraft, healing, and protector of the vulnerable. She was known to the Romans as Diana. It is unknown when her worship originated, though some sources suggest that it could have been as ancient as 1300 BCE with the Mycenaeans, who, along with their predecessors, the Minoans, actually worshipped archaic forms of the Greek gods as we know today. In Hellenic lore, Artemis is the daughter of Zeus and Leto and the twin sister of Apollo. Artemis is associated with the moon trinity of Selene, who rules heaven, Artemis, who rules earth, and Hecate, who rules the underworld. According to Homer, she was often leading the dances of the Muses and the Graces, and sometimes also leading them in song. It was even said by the ancient poet Callimachus that the reason for the summer solstice was because once, as the sun god Helios was crossing the sky in his chariot, he caught a glimpse of Artemis dancing and found it so beautiful that he stayed his chariot so that he could watch her dance, thus causing the light of the day to be lengthened. This Beltane, we honor Artemis' strength of spirit and this goddess of spring who reigns over the plants and animals that we are waking from their slumber and coming into fruition and life. So Beltane Ritual salts. They have sea salt, rosemary, sage, essential oils of oak moss, mint, and cucumber. Green fairy incense sticks, wormwood, lavender, and star anise. Mist of the forest cleansing spray. Cedarwood, rosemary, and mandarin. Cool. Artemus Ritual Oil. It's balsam pine, vetiver, cedarwood, and citron. And almond oil and vitamin E. Mugwort and wormwood ritual candles. Raw green calcite. It's very cool. The gemstone is used to manifest transformation. It's also known as the witch's stone and resonates with the heart chakra. Calcite in general will amplify and increase energy. It is protecting, purifying, grounding, and centering, and will assist in bringing one inner peace. Green calcite is an excellent stone for gardening and considered a stone of manifestation, as it has the ability to develop increases in all areas of life. It will also enhance intuition and psychic abilities. Anoint your gemstone with a drop or two of Artemis oil, and then after the ritual is complete, place by your bedside. Cleansing incense blend. So you basically put them in your fireproof container, so like a cauldron, and you can burn them. It's white sage, rosemary, yerba santa, and eucalyptus. Then the dream catcher. It's faux suede ribbons remind her of the maypole, and the feathers and style of the piece remind me of Artemis, goddess of wild animals. The pentacle is a powerful symbol of protection, something we need right now, and dream catchers have a very protective quality, guarding us while we are at our most vulnerable. Hang by your bedside or wherever you like its protective energy to encompass you. Then we have the tea. We have the Oko Geode pendant. Gold-plated geode pendant is a perfect reminder of your connection with nature and her bounty. Created from a slice of Oko geode. The geode is formed as a hollow bubble inside a layer of rock, which was created by volcanic forces. And then the Artemis art print and an oracle card from the Fairy Oracle. So this is the deluxe muse box. It's very cool. I definitely love dream catchers, so that's good. I love the little arrow here, and as soon as this candle is burned down, that arrow is going to go in my bone throwing kit. This is really beautiful. I love this kind of thing. This smells really good. I love bath salts. I love incense, basically. Oh, and I love this kind of stuff, especially. This is going to be great. And honestly, I don't think I have any green calcite, so it's all in all very, very good box for me. Super excited to get some of these items in into use. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Keeping it short because I'm really tired after work. So have a wonderful day, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting my channel. Bye.